Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Dr. Dalen Choi here from North Texas Dental Surgery Wisdom Teeth and Implant Center, and COVID-19 is going on right now. It is April 19th, Sunday afternoon. So figured I'd answer a few questions that you guys seem to have a lot of times and help you guys out. And so the question I'm going to answer today is, how much does it cost to get your wisdom teeth removed? So I'll go over some things that you need to be looking out for, and also some extra tips in regards to getting a cheaper price, okay? So the number one thing that's gonna influence how much it costs to get your wisdom teeth extracted is going to be whether you have dental insurance or not, okay? So when we say you have dental insurance, why this matters is that you need to try to find a provider is an in-network provider, okay? So everybody can take your dental insurance, but what the distinguishing factor is your provider in network with your insurance provider, okay? Because in network means a whole different thing. Now, let me explain that to you without trying to be too confusing here. Being in network basically means are they in network with your provider? For example, if you have Cigna, then they take Cigna. And what that means is if I take Cigna, which I do, Cigna tells me how much I can charge you to get your wisdom teeth extracted. They tell me a specific amount. Now, I don't know that number off the top of my head, but let's say it's $1,500, and then also you have insurance benefits, so maybe your copay is as cheap as $200, something like that. So that's the beauty of being in network with a provider. He doesn't randomly get to tell you how much he wants to charge you, okay? Now, conversely, there's something called out-of-network providers, okay? Now, out-of-network providers technically take your insurance also, okay? But what being out-of-network means is that they don't let the insurance provider dictate the fees that they have to take to remove your wisdom teeth. All right, so what does that mean? Okay, so if you go see an out-of-network provider, he can charge you whatever the heck he wants to charge you to remove your wisdom teeth. $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. It really depends on what he really wants to charge you. Now, your insurance, because it covers a certain percentage of your wisdom teeth extractions, maybe 70, 80%, whatever, your insurance will actually cut him a check to get your wisdom teeth extracted, okay? So your insurance company will contribute towards your extractions, but here's the big catch. Your insurance company typically only has depending on how good your insurance is, maybe $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 max, okay? So because of that, you have to pay for that difference. And in that case, you can be paying a $1,500 difference, $2,000 difference, something like that. So just be very careful. Even they take your insurance, right? But they might not be in network with your insurance. And again, that is a huge distinction, okay? So in order to save yourself a lot of money, go seek a in-network dental surgeon, okay? All right, so advice number 2 in regards to how much does it cost to get your wisdom teeth extracted is how impacted are your teeth, okay? So you might have heard about impacted wisdom teeth. Now, the thing that you might not know is that there's different levels of impaction. There's full bony impactions, there's partial bony impactions, there's soft tissue impactions, there's just regularly erupted teeth that need to be extracted surgically. So what I'm getting at is that, you might have a friend or, somebody out there that you talked about getting their wisdom teeth extracted and said they were really impacted. Yeah, there's truth to that. Some wisdom teeth can be way more buried in the bone. They can be sideways going, all these different things that make the level of impaction more severe, and therefore the procedure is more invasive, okay, and difficult for the dental surgeon. So there is a difference in charge. A full bony impaction is more expensive. Partial bony is a little bit cheaper. Soft tissue impaction is a little cheaper. So there's different levels, as with anything in life, because of level of severity or difficulty, there's going to be a different charge, okay? So that's the other big thing. So I have some final tips for you guys in regards to basically looking for how to get your teeth extracted, your wisdom teeth extracted for the cheapest price. So again, number 1, make sure that you find an in-network provider, okay? You're going to get the best deal with them. Number 2, you got to find out how impacted are your wisdom teeth. And again, the only way you're going to be able to do that is that you have to go find your dental surgeon, go get your consultation, and they get that scan, so they see your x-ray or your 3D scan, your 3D CBCT scan, and they can tell you how impacted your teeth are, okay? So once they know how impacted your teeth are, they contact your insurance company, they know the percentage coverage, and they'll tell you basically exactly how much your copay is going to be, okay? And number 3, here's a big piece of advice for people who don't have insurance. If you don't have dental insurance, you can typically ask these providers, because what they're going to do is they're going to charge you the full amount, right? So they can honestly, if you don't have insurance, there's no contract with the insurance company, they can charge you whatever they want to charge you. So what you can do is you can definitely go to a provider and ask them for a discount. And a lot of them will give you a discount. So anywhere from 5%, 10%, everybody's different, right? So if you happen to live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come on down to North Texas Dental Surgery. We'll give you a 20% discount, okay? So we'll definitely help you out with that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. And also we have a post here that you can read. Goes into a little bit more detail about what we've been talking about. All right, stay safe, guys. Thanks.